Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by washing the area with a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. Rinse and pat dry. Next, squeeze a 1/2 pea-size amount of Colgate onto a cotton swab and apply directly to the pimple only. Do not smear across normal skin. Then, make sure to seal the surrounding skin with a thin ring of Vaseline to protect from drying and irritation. This combination targets surface bacteria and limits spread. Meanwhile, you reduce excessive dryness and flaking. Once done with the first application, wait and watch. Leave the Colgate on for 10 to 30 minutes while checking for strong burning or redness. Sensitivity means remove immediately. If the treated spot becomes very dry, make sure to apply a small amount of Vaseline to surrounding skin, not over the toothpasted area, to prevent cracked skin. Repeat this cycle once per day for up to 3 days, and always pause the routine at the first sign of worsening inflammation or rash. To finish, rinse the area thoroughly with lukewarm water, cleanse gently, and apply your regular non-comedogenic moisturizer. This restores barrier function. If you experience intense stinging, spreading redness, swelling, blistering, or any allergic signs, stop immediately, flush the area with water, and consult a healthcare professional. If pimples persist or recur, make sure to see a dermatologist for evidence-based options like topical benzoyl peroxide, retinoids, or oral therapies, rather than continuing a home remedy long-term.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.